yes, we are back. Yo, this is Logic on steroids. Please hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel. Let's hit for 10,000 subscribers by March 2026. Alright? You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you want to watch this video with my commentary, just hit this card right here in the top right. Bam! Alright? Yeah, excuse my voice because I'm under the weather. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna get into this. This is wild right here. That's all I gotta say. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Officers responded to calls in reference to a loud verbal disturbance.
What's going on, sir?
Nothing.
I'm not talking to you. What's going on?
Spit on me.
Okay. Oh, stop her.
That's my baby mama right
Okay, I got
She
you.
live over here at Orlando Terrace apartment.
Oh, go stop her. She's walking eastbound on Silver Star now.
That's dumb, man.
Orlando been wilding out lately.
I see it. Just hang tight. I may have to go help him.
If y'all remember that big brawl in the street, that was Orlando. Place called Parlay.
Stop right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
No, we didn't do nothing. No, don't take it. I didn't do shit.
Let's put up the crazy clock! Are you ready?
Hey, just come get her. Go get my
Is that a baby?
Come here. Go, Nemo. Go.
Come on.
Hold up. She just carrying that baby like a football.
Touch my daughter. I got her. Don't touch my daughter. I got her.
Grab her other side. Grab her other side.
Move. I didn't do shit.
Relax.
I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit.
Let go of your pepper spray. She's trying to spray it.
I didn't do nothing. No.
Okay, she's resisting us right now, so stop.
You do this every
If she's
time.
claiming pregnant, we're not doing that.
Don't break my wrist.
Hey, please stop.
Stop. I hate you. You do this every time.
What the hell is she angry about?
Let's stop.
Yeah, can't go for now. They came off.
No, I pushed him out. Don't break my wrist, bitch.
Let's stop.
Get out with me. Don't do that. I'm pregnant.
She's whipping out the mother card.
Happy Mother's Day!
I'm pregnant. I'll fucking kill you, you bitch. I'll kill both of you.
Damn.
I swear to God, because of what you did.
Let's stop. Don't hurt her, buddy. Don't hurt her, buddy. Please.
You hit my stomach.
Please, I'm trying to feel.
Sit in the trunk.
You was just saying how she spat on you. You know what I mean? They're helping you out. Then you don't see them doing her dirty. They doing their job. They're not abusing her or brutalizing her or whatever you want to call it.
That doesn't change what happened.
Let's stop. I'm sorry, man.
She's going to jail regardless.
Push my stomach.
Guys, keep him back.
Push my stomach.
Then stop fighting if you're
I
pregnant.
did it. He pushed me in.
Sit in the
He
truck.
pushed my stomach.
Get in the truck.
Let me get in my breath. Don't touch me. You pushed my stomach.
Lift her up.
Wait, I'm pregnant. Stop.
Why is it she's worried about the baby now? After all this happened, she should have been worried about the baby so much that she'll prevent something like this from happening.
Ah!
If you were really pregnant, you'd stop
Why did he
fighting.
push my stomach?
Stop kicking him.
You motherfucker! Get off my head, you coward!
Hold up.
I know, I ain't going
Let them take care of this situation, all right?
Officer, I apologize so much.
All right.
See, she's spitting all over
I know.
me too. I'm sorry, officer.
It's okay.
That is my baby.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right. Well, she's going to jail. She's got bad battery also.
Oh my God.
She done upgraded her charge.
No, no.
Oh my God.
Sorry, 904.
Where's the kids at?
I got it right here.
Okay. We need your ID and everything.
Yes, sir.
As also, we witnessed her spit on you. It's battery.
Can I get my glasses? I can't see.
Alright, give me one. 637.
Officer,
What's
you
up?
were doing your silver duty.
Yep.
I apologize.
So what happened?
Then
what happened for her to...
She bipolar.
Okay.
She take medicine.
Yeah.
And I'm so sorry. Okay. But
So she was spitting on you? What were y'all arguing about?
And what'd she throw on you? A drink? Because you're soaking wet as well. That's what you said when I first talked to you.
thank you not for taking my ass to jail too. Thank
Well,
you.
you didn't do anything, so...
Thank you.
We understand your concern, but that's why we're trying not to throw her on the ground, because she's claiming she's pregnant. We can't... But we only can do...
Pregnant.
But that doesn't keep you from going to jail.
I know.
You can't be kicking the police.
I know.
You can't be spitting on the police. You can't be spitting in people. Is she actually pregnant?
She is
How many
pregnant,
months?
brother. 2 months.
Sorry, and this would be handcuffing her to the front, not putting hands in the back. But I guess she's so violent towards them.
2 months pregnant. Okay.
Yeah, she is pregnant.
Has it been
That's the only
confirmed?
reason-
Has that been confirmed with her doctor? Okay.
That's the only reason, officer. I stepped up. Yeah, man. I think what you need to do
I
is
need a
take
hobble.
her.
Can you go grab a hobble?
Hospital. The mental health.
Yeah, she kicking.
Hey, we need to hobble her. You grab a hobble?
They're not my, I don't have any. They're in my
Go
own.
grab a hobble.
I don't have any hobbles.
She's claiming she's 2 months pregnant, just so you know. She's already bat LEO. Stay back, please. I have a hobble. I have a hobble. Her feet are over here. Her feet are going to be on this side. Right in front of you.
Oh, she's sitting still.
Go with Pope.
Now they got a hog tie.
Ready?
Don't fucking touch
Are
me.
you ready?
Don't touch me.
You got her.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Yeah, she ain't got
my
no
stomach. Get away
drawers
from
on.
me. No, I don't have no underwear.
Hey,
Stop.
stop.
We know
Get
that.
in my stomach. No.
Let's put up the crazy
Get
clock.
him in my stomach.
Get these legs.
No.
Are you ready?
I didn't do nothing to him.
Okay.
You spit on me.
Whoa.
Get the fuck away from me. I killed him. He hit me in my stomach.
Okay.
No.
Hey, Kaj, grab the wrist.
He hit me in
Let her
my
go.
stomach. And y'all ain't sexy. Get out my stomach. Why you doing this? Stop. He hit me in my stomach.
cuffed.
That's why I spit on him. No.
You also kicked him, so...
I kicked him back and he fucking hit me.
No, he didn't hit.
Stop.
Let's see, which card will she play next? The competition seems quite rough here at the casino, hey Matt?
Oh, well, it seems like she's gonna play the racist card.
The racist card. Is that what she's going for? Give her a moment.
Stop. You white pig.
And yes, she's all in with the racist card played.
Good luck to the female contestant playing with top competitors.
The minute he hit me on my stomach, I kicked him from the
She's 2
inside.
months pregnant.
Out the
That's
fucking
crazy.
mouth. He pushed me
We're
on my
fine
stomach.
handcuffing her in the back.
I'm not for, you know what I'm saying, her calling them like white pigs and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like racist names, slurs. I'm not for all that, man. I don't defend that crap. You know what I'm saying? But I do understand she's angry. So it's gonna come out.
He pushed me on my stomach.
We need his double cuff first.
He pushed me on my stomach. He shouldn't be near me. Get off of me. Kill me. Kill me then.
Trying to double. I can't, because you're...
He hit me in my stomach. And y'all ain't gonna do shit about it. That better be behind me. Move. He hit me in my stomach. And y'all ain't doing shit about it. No. Get off. Move. Move. You coward ass.
Double lock? Double lock it? Yep. We need to hobble her.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Let's lay her down.
You can't lay me on my stomach. Don't lay me on my stomach. Wait.
Just do it standing. Just do it.
Wait, you don't drop me on my stomach. Stop. Tell me stop. You just standing there. Get the f off of me. He put his elbow in me.
Yeah, because you want to try to keep spitting on
I don't
us.
want you to keep.
That doesn't
drop
change
me
what
on my
you get to want to
stomach.
do. You're not going on your stomach. That's why you're standing still.
No! Well, why he holding me like that?
Because you want to keep trying to spit on us.
Not you, that behind me.
I don't care who you're trying to spit on.
Who I'm trying to spit on.
Stop resisting.
He pushed me in my stomach.
Relax.
You.
Wow.
Stop pushing my face down.
Nope.
I'm trying to find
I'm not
out
doing nothing.
why she's so
Why you do
angry.
that? He pushed me on my stomach.
You already lost the opportunity to make sure.
I had every right to kick him. I had to, because he pushed me on my stomach.
You're already going to jail, so
I don't give a f. He pushed me.
You good?
Let's get these tighter, Pope. Hold on.
And that's when I kicked that bitch. Why you making it so tight?
Alright, go ahead. Okay.
Don't drop me, stop, the wrist is too tight.
Alright, good.
They got it too tight. My wrist is cutting. They got the cuffs too tight.
Yeah, just pull her.
Wait! I have to put my feet up. I'm pregnant. You can't, I can do it myself.
You want to be kicking and spitting?
Wait.
Yeah, she did.
Another battery over.
She got me on the fucking cheek.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go. Start it a little bit.
I spit on that white cracker that pushed me inside my stomach.
Okay, don't put it.
Stop hating me to be a bad guy.
How you? I be wondering how they gonna talk to another cop of the same race as the race that she's down talking. You know what I mean? Like the other cop supposed to tolerate it. You insulting him too or her too?
You're not gonna spit on us. You're not.
Don't try to.
You're not gonna spit on us, right?
Don't betray me as somebody that's a problem. Don't do that.
Oh, please.
Don't label me. Don't do that.
It's too late for that.
I had every right to kick that crap.
Okay.
He spit over here.
See?
Can we help you?
Yes, he pushed me on my stomach.
So we just want to talk.
That's why I did that, to get that up off me.
I get it.
That's what I did. And no, I don't want to go to Winnie Palmer Hospital. I do not want to go to Winnie Palmer.
Oh, we'll take it off. We'll take it out.
Please. Because they take black people's babies there. Do not take me to Winnie Palmer.
Wow.
Wow.
Do you guys think she needs to get transported?
I don't think so. She would even go to OB. She would go to South because she's 10 weeks. But it's her call.
So you're taking my phone for evidence?
No, it's gonna go with you. It's gonna go with you to the jail.
For what? I don't need it.
Because we take personal property with our arrestees to the jail.
Man.
That's what we do.
Man, whatever, man.
That is doing my
Man,
job.
suck out a monkey's ass.
Yeah.
What does that even mean? I don't know.
Suck out a white one.
Are you come from behind?
That's what you're gonna have to, because I'm pregnant, dumbass.
Well,
You're
you're
supposed to
kicking
cuff
and
me from the
spitting.
front because he pushed me in my stomach. I was pushing him off of me. I said that 1,000 times. It's on this f***ing desk. He know what the f*** he did. That's why I kicked that bitch. What are you talking about? Stupid ass. I knew y'all wasn't supposed to do that anyway.
Is that why you slip the cuff and try to use it as a weapon?
On who? Man, if I wanted to, I know you seen my jack. I don't need no f***ing cuffs to black your eye or bust your lip. You know I don't need no cuffs. Ain't no threat to you. I know you see my background and what I've been arrested with. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
She's proud of that.
I'm not a threat. Stop playing with me. I got him off me because he was on my stomach and I felt threatened. You know why? Maybe if I was white and had blonde hair with a fake BBL, maybe y'all would listen.
Here we go.
Y'all cuffed me to the cuffs on my thighs.
Nobody cuffed you to the bed.
You got my thighs tied, my legs tied, like I'm a pig. We ain't roasting no pig, man. Y'all knew y'all wasn't supposed to do that.
Do what?
What you getting ready to undo?
No, we
your
actually.
actions is why you're cuffed.
You know why I did
Actually,
it. You know why I did it.
Does not matter.
It does matter.
Does
Suck
not
out my
matter.
nigga ass. It does. And suck a dick though. Stick it up his ass.
See, we
Then
don't
put it
have to
inside your
handcuff you in
mouth.
the front unless you're showing obviously pregnant.
I got 9 brothers. My little brother. Don't pull my weed, bitch.
Stop.
Don't do that. Don't be nasty. Don't pull my hair.
It was in the handcuffs.
Bro, don't f***ing, and you behind me for a reason.
It was in the
How am I
handcuff.
supposed to get the handcuffs?
Bro, Don't fucking play with me. The same way Becky got her motherfucking white clip-ins, don't play with me. Like I said, I got 9 brothers to that 3 with a bitch in handcuffs. Huh? You that 3 with a pregnant bitch in handcuffs? With your pussy ass. You ain't even worth it with your pussy ass.
Lay down.
I'll whoop your ass if I wasn't pregnant. I would. I would and I can.
Thank you for.
And they got this incredible power, physical power, to beat up a man. Just because they've been sliding for this long, they came to the conclusion or to the belief that they can actually beat up men.
Both your eyes will be black. You already know.
Thank you for threatening me.
For my last arrest, you already know. If I feel threatened, I have the right. Yeah, because you threatening me. You act like a bitch. With your bitch, and don't do it so tight. You know my wrist small. Don't do it so tight.
You already slipped handcuffs once.
But why you gotta make it so tight around my wrist?
Because you ain't slipping cuffs again.
Man,
if you were pregnant, you wouldn't be resisting like that.
Man, I was trying to get the fuck away from y'all.
You weren't pregnant when you were kicking our door out.
Dumbass, crazy ass bitch. You knew why I did it.
I'm riding with you.
Okay, cool. And get my
I already handled it, don't worry.
In the end, 29-year-old Alexis was charged with 2 counts of resisting an officer with violence, 3 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 3 counts of assault on a law enforcement officer, and domestic battery. She was in jail for 4 months before making bond. She ultimately pled no contest to 3 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, and her adjudication was withheld.
Check out this channel right here if you want to watch some more of these videos right here. You know what I'm saying? This is who the original uploaders right here. And then you got Logic on Steroids. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, please. Don't forget about my Crazy Clock body cam playlist.
Are you ready?
All right. Peace.